Hi friends, in today's class I am going to discuss the seven crystal systems. So I want to teach you the seven crystal systems in the form of a small table. At a glance you get all these points with less efforts in a simple, easy methods. So let us see. So what are these seven crystal systems? So there are total seven crystal systems. So we have to make the one big table here. So the first column is crystal system. So this is the first column. And second column is relation among A, B and C. And next one is relation among alpha, beta and gamma. Here ABC are adjoints, whereas alpha, beta, gamma are axial angles. Plane of symmetry, plane of symmetry and axis of symmetry. So thereafter, Bravais lattices. Bravais lattices. So the last column is example. So this is example. So now come to the crystal systems. Total how many crystal systems are there? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 7. So there is a shortcut form, that is CTOMTRH. CTOMTRH. Okay, here what is C stands for? So here C stands for cubic crystal system. Whereas what is T stands for? So T stands for tetragonal. Whereas O stands for orthorhombic. M stands for monoclinic. And T triclinic. And whereas R, capital R, rhombohedral. So it is also known as trigonal crystal system. So don't confuse here tetragonal and trigonal. The last one is hexagonal. Here for relation among ABC, here what is ABC? Adjoints, alpha, beta, gamma or axial angles. These are the dimensions of unit cell. So now come to the what is the relation ABC? For a cubic, all these are equal. So length, width and height all are equal. And alpha, beta, gamma all are equal. So they are equal to 90 degrees. Okay, while coming to the tetragonal. So take the make the one inequality in edge lengths. So remaining are same. That is tetragonal. For orthorhombic, take the two inequalities. A not equal to B, not equal to C, but alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degrees. Coming to the monoclinic. So here unequals in adjoints completed, then come to the make the one equal in angles. So alpha is equal to beta is equal to 90 degrees. That is not equal to gamma. So here any two, whether it is alpha gamma or alpha beta or beta gamma, any two equal to 90. But the third one is not equal to 90. So come to the triclinic, all are unequal. A not equal to B, not equal to C. Alpha not equal to beta, not equal to gamma. It is not equal to 90 degrees. So while coming to the rhombohedral, here A is equal to B is equal to C. Here alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma. Three angles are equal, but they are not equal to 90 degrees. So while coming to the A is equal to B, but not equal to C. But here alpha is equal to beta, any two angles is equal to 90, whereas gamma is 120 degrees. Okay, so once again I'm repeating this one. For a cubic, the edge lengths and all axial angles are equal. Whereas while coming to tetragonal, so make the one unequal in edge lengths. So come to the orthorhombic, so make the one more unequal, second unequal in edge lengths only. So while coming to the monoclinic, edge lengths unequals are completed, then make the one unequal in this one axial angles. So first one, thereafter come to the triclinic, total angles are unequal. So rhombohedral, all are equal, edge lengths are equal, whereas all axial angles are equal, but they are not equal to 90 degrees. Hexagonal, so two edges are equal, and third edge is not equal. So whereas any two angles is equal to 90, whereas other third angle is 120 degrees. So like that you can remember. So I already discussed in the previous session, so a cubic crystal system has total 23 elements of symmetry. Out of 23 elements of symmetry, how many plane of symmetries are there? 9 plane of symmetry and 13 axes of symmetry. Now coming to the tetragonal, so this is 5 planes and 5 axes. Orthorhombic, 3 planes, 3 axes. Next odd number, 1 plane, 1 axis. Next 0 planes, 0 axis. Next 7 planes and 7 axes of symmetry. Here 7 planes and 7 axes of symmetry. And the Bravais lattices. Coming to the Bravais lattices, here P means primitive unit cell. Nothing but unit cells. Here total 14 Bravais lattices are there. Now I am going to show how they are equal to 14. So P means a primitive. And while I was discussing the unit cells in the previous video, so I could clearly mention that primitive means P, whereas face-centered unit cell means F, whereas body-centered means I, end face-centered means C. Here this is PI, here this is PIFC. Once C will come, here once C will come, again next also C will come. Remaining all are primitive cubic, and these are primitive cubic. Sometimes rarely, so they may ask the question from the examples also. So that's why you need to remember the examples. For a cubic crystal system, examples are most of the alkali halides like NaCl, KCl. These are examples. For tetragonal, examples are stannic oxide, titanium dioxide. These are examples. For orthorhombic, so rhombic sulfur, orthorhombic sulfur, rhombic sulfur. Whereas monoclinic sulfur, monoclinic sulfur. So for monoclinic, one more example, gypsum, CaSO4.2H2O. So these two are examples for monoclinic. Now come to the triclinic. So triclinic is the previous question they asked. So I'm going to give the 3 examples here. Blue vitriol, copper sulfate dot pentahydrate. That one, boric acid, H3BO3. One more example, potassium dichromate, K2Cr2O7. So this is very important. for triclinic system. Now come to the rhombohedral calcite. Nothing but limestone, CaCO3. Next cinnabar. Okay, that is a mercuric sulfide. So the last one is hexagonal. For hexagonal, best example. So graphite, next zinc oxide, okay, ice, okay, at 0 degree centigrade. So all these are exist as hexagonal. So graphite has the honeycomb-like structure. So that is the one type of hexagonal structure. So these are examples. So they can ask the question from examples also. In objective examinations, they used to ask like, for example, they will give the orthorhombic. For orthorhombic, so which among the following four alternatives is correct? So first alternative they will give like A is equal to B not equal to C. That like that four options we need to correct. We need to choose the correct option. Otherwise, so they used to give the these properties, relation among edge lengths and the relation among axial angles. Then we need to identify the which type of crystal system. So this type of models they can ask. So planes of symmetry, so for cubic it is very important. For IIT level remaining also important. For NEET these are not important. For IIT it is important. Okay. So that's all for today's session. Thank you.